So this time of the year, one question comes up quite a bit to us real. Yeah, it's what does one of these guys cost? First, what does it cost to put one in? Well, a new pool right now in Phoenix probably costs between 25 and 35,000 just as a start. If you want something fancy with a waterfall, lots of extra deck, it's going to be much more. If you buy a resale home, they'll typically add about $10 to $15,000 to the. We all know it's not just what it costs to put in, what does it cost to maintain it? I think from my own experience, I'd say somewhere around 150 to 200 per month, including the electricity, the chemicals, fixing things when they break, just all the things that come up with owning anything. The last part, of course, is it worth it? And I can only tell you from my own experience that on a day like today, when it's going to be 105, which is actually not bad here in Phoenix in August, it is a resounding yes. It is well worth every penny. If you're going to live here in Arizona, it's awfully nice to have a pool in the summertime, and it's nice to look at year-round. Anyway, I hope that helped you out. Bye-bye now.